A lot of people have asked me about the differences between books and Convergent Media, and they said, don't you worry that Convergent Media might get rid of the book, that we'll lose the book? And my answer is no, there's no way we're going to lose the book. The book has special properties, special abilities that Convergent Media doesn't have. It doesn't need a battery, it doesn't have screen glare. When you're reading something that needs very concentrated attention for a long time, books are still the best. I've been working on books now for 42 years, and I've helped authors from lots of different areas in the world, different industries, to create books. Those books are great, but Convergent Media does some things that a book can't do. It uses video and interactive resources and game-like things and music and audio and integrates all of those in a way so that it's a single message, but that the user can navigate through it. Years ago, when I was doing my PhD, I stumbled upon this book. It's called The Future of the Book. The epilogue is written by a man who's gone now. His name is Umberto Eco. He's an Italian semioticist who basically was answering the question, will these new things that we can see coming, and remember back in 1999, these things hadn't come yet, will they replace the book? And he said no. The book is too good of an invention. You know, books don't have screen glare. They don't have battery issues. They don't have to worry about downloading stuff. They're there and they get to places in the world that nothing else can get to. A book can sit there for 15 years and it's still as fresh as it was before. I compare it to like this. Imagine that all of these resources, whether they're print books or magazines or Convergent Media or whatever, imagine those are a deck of cards. For 500 years, the book has been king. Convergent Media and things like it could change its place in the deck. It might move from king to queen, maybe even jack, but it still is such an important part of that universe, it's not going to disappear. Books are great. In fact, a long time ago, I thought, how can books and Convergent Media help each other? I think they can. There are some resources where a book itself is best. There are other resources where the Convergent Media resource itself is best. But there's a number of instances where, let's say you had a book and you needed some way for people to apply the principles of that book, a Convergent Media resource is perfect to pair with it. Or let's say you have a Convergent Media resource and that you really want people to have something that they can carry around with them that doesn't need a battery, where they've applied some of the principles here. You give them a little journal that they write in their own hand. That journal goes along with the Convergent Media resource. The point is, Convergent Media is not antagonistic to the book. In fact, they can be enormous helps to each other to help people learn, to help people be entertained. They can work together, and that's how I've seen it for the longest time.